Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So again it is 2017 question. Earlier when it comes to the 2017 and 18 and 19 questions, it will be more of factual based questions, and also it is more of scheme based questions only. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about what is the Stand Up India scheme. Before approaching the question, you just know about what is Stand Up India scheme. Was launched by the Ministry of Finance. That is also they may ask. To promote the entrepreneurship at a grassroots level, focusing on the economic empowerment and job creation. This scheme has been extended up to the year of 2025. The purpose of this scheme is to promote the entrepreneurship among the women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes category. Okay, it is mainly focusing on women's, SCs and STs, providing loans for greenfield project. Okay, so greenfield means it is a new project. Okay, it is not a brownfield. Brownfield means already there are certain things are running on it. You are going to add certain things. Okay, so that is the brownfield. When it is greenfield means you are going to do certain new things. In manufacturing or services or trading sectors or activities allied to the agriculture. Facilitate the bank loan between the 10 lakhs and 100 lakhs, at least one SCs or STs borrower. At least one woman borrower per bank branches of the scheduled commercial banks. Okay, so these are the things about the Stand Up India. So based on this, you just approach this question. Its purpose is to promote the entrepreneurship among SC, STs and women entrepreneurs. Yes, obviously it is right. It provides for refinance through SIDBI. This is also right. You have to note it. Okay, so SIDBI is going to do the refinancing activities and providing fund to the commercial banks and then the cooperatives to fund the money to the SCs and STs and women. Okay, so these are the things you have to note it. So it is done through the SIDBI. Okay, so the answer is 1 and 2, both 1 and 2. So answer is C. Okay, thank you.